Cold because you know what? We are outside the Fox 10 studios right now.
And the only way to stay warm is with Faux in the Science Center.
Yes, it is. So we are here and we're doing something really cool. What is this?
It's actually really cold science. We've got snow week happening at the Science Center, so I had to bring some of that down here. We are doing some liquid nitrogen winter science.
Oh, liquid nitrogen.
I like the sound of this.
We figured it was cold outside, so we got to do something a little more cold. So let me step over here. I'm going to trade places with you, actually.
Okay.
We'll start pouring some of the liquid nitrogen so that our folks at home can see what it is.
You need to move back?
Big door. You're safe right now. Okay. I'm just going to pour
right now.
Yeah, when it's time to move back, I'll definitely let you know. So this is our liquid nitrogen. I'm just going to start with a little bit of it. We'll move over here.
Okay, sorry, really quick. What is liquid nitrogen?
So liquid nitrogen, take a big deep breath, everybody. If you're at home too, and now breathe out. Almost 80% of what you just breathed in is nitrogen, actually. It's a gas. It's all around us all the time. But liquid nitrogen is really, really cold. It's about 320 degrees below zero. So you can see, right here, if you look at it even, it's bubbling, it's boiling because as it hits our atmosphere, it's already really hot. So let me even show you really quickly.
Switching
I'm going to switch. I'm going to put, how long does it take to usually make ice? Let me say that.
I think it depends on the temperature.
Depends on the temperature. So water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to use some nitrogen here. It's so cold, again, at 321 degrees below zero. And we're going to add it right over some regular water here into these ice trays. So if you're trying a little party trick, you can't really get this at home, but we can do this at the Science Center. It's so cold that it makes instant ice. So here, we can see in there. You can see a little of it. Right. You can already see ice forming. And it takes a little bit longer to get some actual cubes.
I will say that is spicy because I could feel it on my feet.
It is. It's really
hot, cold, I don't know.
321 degrees below zero is really, really cold. And we use this at the Science Center to talk about states of matter and, of course, winter science, including clouds, because that rapid change, it's expanding really, really fast. And I've brought something with me today that's a little explosive. Are you ready for that?
So tell everyone what you're going to do since you're not mic'd, and then we're going to step back and let you explain.
Well, and you can come with me until I say you can't. So I'm going to have you come over here. We're going to get some more liquid nitrogen, because that's what we need. I'm going to use my face shield just because, well, safety first. Safety first.
We don't need them.
We're going to use a lot of, if I can get it over my hat here. Excuse me. Here we go. We're going to add a lot of liquid nitrogen to this barrel right here, and then we're going to use some hot water to make a cloud form. So just like it would outside, but instant. So again, this liquid nitrogen, you'd have to travel all the way to the moons of Jupiter to find it in its liquid state. So if you can think of the coldest place that you've been on Earth, it would be way, way colder than that. So let me check the status here. We need a little bit more. We're going to get about 5 liters of liquid nitrogen in here. And then we're going to add a couple liters of almost boiling water. And now with clouds, when clouds form, it's that rapid expansion of moist air that makes the cloud form. So as it rises in the atmosphere.
So this is really how it's happening in the atmosphere.
Similar. I mean, we don't have the nitrogen that's cold, but it's that atmospheric temperature. As there's lower pressure, it cools down, and that's when the cold water condenses.
We've got about 30 seconds.
Perfect. So here we go. I'm going to have you guys stand back for me.
Stand back. Here we go. We're going to get over here.
On New Year's, give me a 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Go! Whoa!
And sorry, you guys have snow week all the way through January 1st.
That's right, and because Subaru's making it possible this year, we've got 100 tons of snow to play with. Every day we've got something going on. We've got the countdown at 2 happening for New Year's Eve. Snow science and so much more.
This is so cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Back, everyone.
This is cool.
Wow.
La Mesa RV made a special purchase.